Hey everybody, and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. Every day we're here exploring the energies, the vibrations of every day so that you can find those same vibrations inside of you where you have it in your blueprint. Please share these videos if you can, and if you're able to make a contribution, that's also very much appreciated. Today is Wednesday. It's the day of the Communicator vibration. Communicator, obviously all about communication. When it governs the spiritual, it makes you a spiritual communicator. In the East, called a jnana yogi, someone who uses the intellect to go beyond the intellect. It is also someone who is very into knowledge and learning and studying and going deeper and deeper and deeper to the source, not interested in superficial things. Wednesday is not a superficial day whatsoever. It's a deep day. It's a day to go right down to the bottom, get to the source, and to see that you are none of the things that you think you are. There's a concept in jnana yoga called neti neti. It means not this, not this. You're not this, you're not that, you're not this, you're not that. The intellect then turns in on itself and you find out who you really are. So, someone who had this communicator personality in their spiritual blueprint was the great musician Ornette Coleman. Ornette. And his music exemplifies, and his life exemplifies, a lot of these qualities of searching and communicating and questioning and going deeper and learning more and more and using the intellect. So I'm going to read some things that Ornette had to say, and I'm going to play the vibration of the day, which is based on the interval of the 4th. I'm burning some Jatamansi incense, which is good for the nervous system, and that relates to the communicator when it governs the physical part of someone's blueprint, the nervous system. You can put on something green today too, if you like. That'll get you in touch with the day. But yeah, today is a deep day. It's not a superficial day at all. So for instance, if you came to me, I'd ask, do you want to write? Do you want to improvise? Why do you want to play this instrument? What do you want to do? There's that questioning, right? Questioning. Needing to know. Communicators always want to know why. There's also an aloofness, or like taking a step back attitude and becoming the observer, the witness. So Ornette said, I don't really live like a musician myself. I think music is just something that I do. But I'd like to be doing lots of other things. I'd like to cure all kinds of illnesses. Maybe he did with his music. Jazz is the only music in which the same note can be played night after night, but differently each time. Communicator is all about change, right? Doing something different all the time. So Ornette was like that, never the same, changing all the time. And improvisation is like that, hopefully. It was when I found out I could make mistakes that I knew I was onto something. To get more in touch with this communicator today on Wednesday, you can say, I connect with the communicator vibration in my blueprint.